Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is November 20th, 2020, and I'm in the new greenhouse here. I thought I'd take a quick walk through and show you a few things that are blooming in here. So this is one of my pansies here. This is a Swiss giant pansy here, and this one here is blooming. I have another one over here getting ready to bloom. And I still have Celosia in here blooming. And I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B. So these are growing in a heated greenhouse. And they've been growing in here for a while. If you look back through some of my other videos, through different tours, you'll see what they look like when they had the big blooms on them. So I still have some marigolds here blooming. This, I believe it's pronounced Gazanza plant, is going to just burst into bloom. I'll come back with a video when this does, and I'll talk a little bit about this annual plant here. So I still have marigolds blooming here. And these Celosia here, this is the fresh look red Celosia here. And most of the big blooms are gone. We are going to work on getting the electric in here and getting the lights put up. But you can see they are still blooming here. And there's more back there blooming, along with a whole bunch more marigolds. You can see back here I have another Celosia blooming. That is a Kramer's Lemon Lime Celosia. And I've gotten many cuttings off of the Kramer's Celosias. You can see I have a beautiful Tom Thumb straw flower here. Now, where I used to get my Tom Thumb straw flowers at, they discontinued selling them. They had a crop failure the one year, and they just never got them back in. So, I'm going to be growing a lot of Tom Thumbs in the greenhouses, so I can collect the seeds off of them without them crossing with something else. Now, they will adapt to the climate of the greenhouse when I collect the seeds from them, but I really want to keep this variety going. I did collect some from outside, from my plants from outside, but I just really want to, make sure that I don't lose this variety. It's one of my favorite varieties. It's a dwarf variety, and I love the blooms on it. You can see here's some more marigolds here. Very nice full flowers. And my Gomphrena is just loving it in here. And I'm letting some of these go to seed. I ran out of a lot of my seeds for my Gomphrena, so I'm letting some of them go to seed. So I can get the seeds off of them then. It's the QIS Gomphrena. And it is an heirloom, open pollinated. So I can't collect the seeds off of it. These are actually from ones I had collected seeds from before, and I planted the seeds, and gave me really nice strong plants. So here's some orange peach Celosia here. Now this is a very large crested variety. These are just the leftovers from it. I already took the real big blooms off, and now the smaller blooms are coming on it. You can see here how they change. These are actually all the same, but they kind of morph and change some as they bloom. Real pretty. And then I have another straw flower over here. This is a tall variety. Not sure the name of this one. I had planted a few different ones, and I had to transplant them out, and I never got to write the names down when I transplanted them. So I'm not sure what all is in this container here. And some seeds. I planted some seeds, and I'm waiting for those to germinate. And I'm trying out some new varieties. I'm going to have some videos coming later. And I took out all of the cucumbers. The cucumbers were actually still going, but we wanted some lettuce and some bok choy. So I took out all of the cucumbers, and I reseeded the containers after I recharged them with plant food. And I planted 6 containers of lettuce and 2 containers of bok choy. So that's going to give us our leafy greens. I'm trying them in the new greenhouse. I want to see how they do with this different plastic, to see if there's a difference than when they were growing in the old greenhouse with the other plastic that's on that greenhouse. And there is a video on my channel for the new greenhouse for when we put the plastic on. I explain the differences between the plastic and different things, so you can check that out. So I will show you the old greenhouse and another tour. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!